Hai Dreamers, sekarang hari ini gue udah bersama tamu yang spesial banget. Di samping gue ada Ballistik Boyz. Ballistik Boyz, you guys can do some greetings for our listener.
Kami Ballistik Boyz dari Jepang, Indonesia. Asyik banget.
Asyik banget. Okay, first of all, I love your outfit so much.
Outfits, thank you.
So cool.
Thanks
And
so
this
much.
is your first time in Indonesia, right?
Second time.
Second time
Yes.
in Indonesia. So, how Indonesia right now?
Very fun. Well, we are very honored and excited to be back here after 4 years.
After 4 years?
Yes.
Is it really? You guys have some unforgettable moment right now in Indonesia?
Indonesiaで忘れられない思い出とかあります
パフォーマンスとかはね忘れられなくない？モールでやった、スケート場が近くにあったんですよね。でその時もファンの方が来てくれてて、僕たちの振り付けを覚えてね踊ってくれてたのが印象的でしたね。
Yeah, unforgettable moment is back in 2019, our first time visit to Indonesia. We performed at the mall, some kind of big mall, free live show, and some fans came out to see our performance and dance with us, sing along. Like that was great memory and moment.
Moment is your first time here
Yes.
in Indonesia. You guys just do some performance in Asian Sound Syndicate. How do you guys feel?
Very fun,
Really fun.
hot.
Hot.
And the fans were hot too.
Fans were hot.
Yeah.
The weather?
The weather and energy, everything.
And in Indonesia, Indonesian fans are famous for their sing-along with the performance.
Really?
Yes, on the concert culture. And how will you react to that?
インドネシアンカルチャーってこう一緒にライブ中歌うのがなんかそういうインドネシアンカルチャーらしい。それについてライブどうでしたか？
Yeah, I mean, bye. Yeah, I could feel it though from the stage. Yeah, they went crazy with
They
it.
went crazy.
Yeah,
Like
I loved it.
hell.
But all the songs we performed today were in Japanese. So hopefully in near future we can release a song in full English or maybe a bit of Indonesian or so
We'll
that
wait for that.
they can sing together.
You
Yeah.
guys just make a promise with us.
Promise.
Promise with us.
Okay.
Okay. Can you tell us the most difficult song or difficult choreography for from you?
一番パフォーマンス出てた難しいかもしれない。
Do some example maybe or
Animal.
oh anymore.
The one we performed today.
Okay. And why is it so hard?
そうだね。振り付けも難しいし、歌も難しいです。
The co-
Wow. That means you guys doing great.
Thank you so
Because the
much.
fans love you guys.
Terima
And
kasih.
Terima kasih again.
Terima kasih.
If you were to play a drama, what kind of genre or character you guys want?
Oh.
It's an interesting question.
Okay. なんかドラマで役やるとしてやってみたい。ジャンルとか。Action.
Action. You guys do some action?
Yeah, we can do acrobatics.
Acrobatics.
Backflips.
Can you give us example of your backflip? No.
What?
No, it doesn't. I'm just kidding.
Wow! もうちょっと下がる。
Wow. Be careful.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
Damn, bro!
Let's go!
Bro!
Yes!
Yo!
Damn, bro!
That's make
Wow! He's amazing!
So awesome. In Indonesia, you say go kill.
go kill.
Go kill.
Go kill.
Go kill. Okay. Do you guys watch anime?
Yes, of course.
Yes. What anime?
Yeah, anime. One Piece.
Yeah, One Piece.
Oh, I love One Piece so much. Anime Boys. Attack of a Titan. In Indonesia, you know, in Indonesia there's so many fans right here. That's why most of Indonesian like Japanese culture too. It's Naruto. Naruto. We grew up with Naruto. My favorite one, Sasuke. Kind of feline people. Sasuke. Gara. That's sand control. Yeah. Okay. Rock Lee. No, you're not. No, you're not. So you guys having fun in Indonesia, right?
Yes. So much fun.
2023. You guys have some words for our listener, maybe to come back again in Indonesia?
Yes. First of all, we are very happy to be back here after 4 years, and we promise to come back here more often. And we just released a new song.
You guys just released a new song.
We will be releasing a new song on August 29th.
August 29th.
The single is called All I Ever Wanted. So All I Ever Wanted.
All I Ever Wanted.
Yeah, so check it out.
Check it out, Dreamers, because they will back very soon to Indonesia.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much, Ballistik
so
Boyz.
much.
Thank you. Indian, for closing, you can say Aku kangen kamu. Aku kangen kamu.
Okay.
Alright.
No. Aku kangen kamu.
Okay, thank you so much, Ballistik guys. Thank you so much, Dreamers, for
Terima kasih.
tune in this video. See you guys.